Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Market Insider Commentary. It's Friday, November the 18th. Good morning, everybody. If you are in the upper Midwest, Plain States, a lot of our clients and our offices up in Yankton, South Dakota, or North Dakota, Minnesota offices, they're reporting a lot of snow, blizzard type conditions, so be careful if you're out there this morning. Of course, that can be dangerous to livestock as well, so make sure you take care of those animals and be safe. This forecast does look a little better in the 6 to 10 day time frame. We're going to warm up temperatures and get back to above normal temps. So if we get past this weekend, should be good again through Thanksgiving, early part of December. The markets here, kind of a lack of news overnight. We're left with two-sided trade in the grains this morning. Corn's about a penny higher, beans are a penny lower, so it's a very quiet trade. Some positive news for corn was Informa's acreage estimates. Not a major surprise here to the trade, but longer term that's a supportive feature as next spring into the summer puts the impetus on the growing season when we drop 3.7 million acres from this year. And of course, going the opposite direction with soybeans, an increase of 4.9 million acres over last year's figures. So we can have a little bit of room for error in that growing season in the soybean market, but no doubt if we have some weather issues, soybeans will rally sharply as well, as traders love to be long the soybean market, as we've been talking about this fall. News for the wheat market, mixed here, as yesterday's Informa acreage numbers almost at 100-year lows for the wheat market, so that's positive. On the flip side, Russia's increasing their planted acreage numbers. They are going to be at almost a record high for their winter grain numbers, including winter wheat. And if they have a good growing season, they're going to have a monster crop to sell, and that's going to limit the upside potential for wheat. So even if we get some weather issues with this winter wheat crop and reduced acres could give us a rally, we may have other countries stepping in and meeting that void for world export markets. So I think it leaves wheat markets as one that you got to sell rallies, got to be defensive in. In the corn market, you know, it's you'd like to see that there's some upside potential, but obviously not very much upside here in the winter months. Rallies are going to be sold by big stockpiles of corn. And we get into the spring, things can change pretty quickly. We start talking weather-related markets. Now, basis levels starting to improve. We heard clients telling us that basis has improved in some areas, and that's led them to go ahead and make sales, and then they stepping in and re-owning, because you can re-own with even some July call options in the money or at the money for in the 20-cent range, and that's about what storage costs would be going out into the summer. So to take advantage of that, make sure you contact us. We'll walk you through opening the account process and process of how to do those option trades. If you want to do some more maybe futures contracts with options over the top, we can talk about those strategies as well. Livestock trade, I think you look kind of quiet after cash trades wrapped up this week. Cattle on feed out this afternoon should be kind of a friendly report, so I don't expect the markets to have much in the way of a downside move here today until that report has been released. Maybe some positioning, a little jockeying, profit taking, but